The laziest dinner hack! Rice cooker spicy miso chicken rice ピリ辛味噌鶏飯150g of rice, Japanese short grain. Rinse the rice until the water runs clear. Drain the rinsed rice thoroughly. $70g of cabbage. Cut into small bite-sized pieces. $130g of chicken. Cut into small pieces. One teaspoon of miso. One teaspoon of mirin. Half teaspoon of sesame oil. A dash of salt and pepper. Mix well to coat the chicken evenly. One tablespoon of miso. 1 tablespoon of mirin. 1 tablespoon of sake. 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. 1 teaspoon of honey. As much 一味唐辛子 or cayenne pepper as you like. A dash of 味の素. Mix well. Put well-drained washed rice into the rice cooker pot. To 20 ml of water. Add the pre-made sauce. Mix well. Add the cut cabbage. Make a space in the middle. Add the seasoned chicken in the middle. Flatten the surface evenly. The secret to a delicious result is keeping the total amount of ingredients under half the rice cooker's capacity. Set the pot in the rice cooker. Cook using the regular white rice setting. Mix well once cooked. Add more 一味唐辛子 to taste. 今日の料理はピリ辛味噌の鶏飯でした。Enjoy! Also, I've released some new merch that ships internationally. Please check out the link on the screen.